In this lecture, we are going to study nature, objective, process and importance of human resource planning. Let's begin with basic definition of human resource planning. Human resource planning is to ensure the best between employees and jobs while avoiding manpower shortage. The three key elements of HR planning process are forecasting labor demand, analyzing present labor supply, and balancing projected labor demand and supply. Thus, it ensures that required number of employees with the required skill is available when they are needed. The HR plan needs to be flexible enough to meet short-term staffing challenges while adapting to changing conditions in the business and environment over long terms. Human resource planning is also a continuous process. Human resource planning deals with the manpower needs of an organization. It helps in discovering the unused talent presently available with the organization. It also tells about the present inventory of manpower of the organization. It protects the future manpower needs and deal with the procurement, utilization, improvement and preservation of manpower. Objectives of HRM are to make the promotion and transfer possibilities and to ensure optimum use of available manpower. HRM provides the necessary manpower when required to assess the future manpower requirement to achieve the organization objective and to make a balance between distribution and allocation of manpower. Human resource planning aims at fulfilling the objectives of manpower requirement. Human resource planning ensures that people are available to provide the continued smooth operation of an organization. It means human resource planning is regarded as a tool to assure the future availability of manpower to carry on organizational activities. Human resource planning is important to cope with the changes associated with the external environment factors. Another purpose of human resource planning is to recruit and select most capable personnel to fill job vacancies. Human resource planning identifies the skill requirement for various levels of jobs. It organizes various training and development campaigns to impart the required skill and ability in employees to perform the task efficiently. Human resource planning measures that the organization acquires and utilizes the manpower effectively to achieve objectives. Let's look at the process of human resource planning. Human resource planning is a process through which the company anticipates future business and environmental forces. Human resource planning assesses the manpower requirement for future period of time. Firstly, assessment of HR begins with environmental analysis, under which the external and internal objectives, resources are analyzed to assess the currently available HR inventory level. Secondly, HR forecasting is to be performed, which is the process of estimating demand for and supply of HR in an organization. Demand forecasting is a process of determining future needs for HR in terms of quantity and quality. After this, supply forecasting is to be done. Supply is another side of human resource assessment. It is concerned with the estimation of supply of manpower given the analysis of current resource and future availability of human resource in the organization. Matching demand and supply is another step of human resource planning. It is concerned with the bringing the forecast of future demand and supply of HR. The matching process refers to bring demand and supply in an equilibrium position so that shortage and overstaffing position will be solved. Action plan is the last phase of human resource planning, which is concerned with surplus and shortage of human resource. Under this, HR is executed through the designation of different HR activities. Now, what are the benefits of HR resource planning? To do work in the organization, every organization needs personnel of desired skill, knowledge, and experience. These human resources require organization can be effectively fulfilled through the proper human resource planning. Human resource planning helps to offset uncertainties and changes as far as possible. It enables to ensure availability of human resources of right kind at right time and at right place. Human resource planning helps to anticipate shortage or surplus of manpower in the organization. The shortage of manpower as well as surplus of manpower is not good for the organization. It helps in meeting the future needs of an organization of highly skilled employees. There are many problems that occur while planning human resource, such as inaccuracy, employee resistance, uncertainties, and inefficient information system. Time and expense are major disadvantage of this process. Thank you and see you in the next session.